Hi, Allison Cadell here, and today I am going to be showing you how to design a book cover using Microsoft Office Publisher software. So the first thing you need to do is choose a book cover size. For today's example, we are going to use a 6.25 by 9.5 inch book cover. The second step is to open Microsoft Publisher. Pretty easy step. So for the third step, we're going to go ahead and create a 6.25 by 9.5 publisher document, or you're just going to go ahead and create a document the size of your book cover. And when you open the software, it will suggest that you use an 8.5 by 11 document. Instead, we're going to just click on the option that says More Blank Page Sizes. Now, when the next window opens, just choose Create New Page Size and then type in the width and height as needed and then click OK. Now click a button that says Create on the far right hand side. Okay, so now you have a blank document that is ready for editing. In step 4, we're going to insert a background picture, so go to the Insert tab and choose Pictures. Okay, when this box pops up, you just open the location of where you have your picture saved and you choose the one you want to use for the book cover, and after that you just click Insert. Quick warning here, make sure you are using a picture you have the copyright permission for. Using a copyrighted picture without permission can result in litigation fees and cancellation of your book. And as a tip, I just recommend that you go to pixabay.com. It is a great resource for high resolution pictures that are also free. Okay, so in step 5, we are going to expand or decrease the size of the picture that we just inserted to our liking. And you're just going to left click on the small little circle that is at the corner of the picture. Either corner works, and you hold and drag that picture to increase it or decrease it. And this is only a good option if you have a high definition picture. If you have a low quality picture, then you really don't need to expand it too much because you'll deal with the bad case of pixelation. So here's another tip. This is a good time to use the preview pane on the left side to see how your cover looks so far. If you expand the picture beyond the borders of the page, it will be cut off in the final cover as seen in this preview. But whether or not you stick with this design is up to you. You may like it this way and you can keep it, or you may not like it that way and you can just make the picture back a smaller size. Now we're on step 6, which is to insert your title. You have a beautiful cover with a beautiful photo of your choosing, and now you just have to click on the Insert tab and choose Draw Text Box. And your mouse will now act as a way of drawing a text box. Okay, holding down the left side of the mouse with your index finger, choose a point to begin from and just drag until you have a box that's the size you want. Okay, let's focus on this red line. You're going to click inside the box, and then you're going to use the boxes under the Format tab where that blue line is pointing to change the font size, inside color, border color, etc. to your liking. Of course, after you click inside the box, you should have already typed something. I should have said that first. But type something inside the box, highlight it, change the color, do whatever you want to do to make it your own. Step 7 is just about checking your work so far. Look at the preview pane on the left hand side to see if you like the way the cover looks so far. Here's another warning while you're checking your work. You need to make sure that the title text is not outside the print border of the page. And to do this, you just right click on the picture and choose Cut, but don't cut anything else after this until you paste this picture back later. Now that your picture is gone, just look at the text to see if it is outside of the blue lines. If so, you need to bring it in some, because printers and publishers like CreateSpace and Amazon will not accept books with text outside of these lines. Once you are sure that the text is inside the print line, just hit Ctrl V on your keyboard, which is also another way of hitting paste, and the picture will pop back up where it was. This will only work if you did not cut anything else since that first cut. If the picture, now that it's back, is blocking your title, just click on the picture, look for a button on the Home tab that says Send Backwards, and just click that until your title reappears. Okay, for step 9, inserting the author's name, we're just repeating the same steps we followed in step 6. And remember, you can play with the formatting, you can play with the color, you can play with the size of the box. Just have fun and make this your own, like I said the last time. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is save all of our work as a high definition JPEG photo. Go to File and click Save As, and once you choose where you're saving the file, click Save As Type and choose JPEG File Interchange Format. Once this window pops up, you're going to look for a button named Change and click on that button. Okay, when the Change Resolution button pops up, you're going to just choose High Quality Printing or Commercial Press in parentheses 300 dpi. And then you'll hit OK, and then you'll hit Save, and everything will be done. And this is an example of the final book cover that I just created. Alrighty, I hope this video was helpful.